Come on in and take a look around. This well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath home instantly feels welcoming thanks to its smart split-bedroom floor plan, perfect for a little privacy. As you move through the home, you'll notice all the fresh updates, from the new paint and trim to the updated doors and newer flooring that flow beautifully throughout. The living room opens up with raised tray ceilings, giving the space an airy, elegant feel. Just imagine cozy nights or hosting friends and family here. Head on in to the eating kitchen, where everything you need is already in place, including stainless steel appliances that will remain with the home. Just off of the kitchen, there's a dedicated laundry area with a washer and dryer ready to go. Now let's step outside. This is where you'll really want to linger. The large covered patio is perfect for relaxing or entertaining, and the vinyl privacy fence creates your own peaceful backyard retreat. Plus, the extra-large 16 by 10 shed offers tons of space for storage, hobbies, or outdoor gear. This home is truly move-in ready. Just bring your furniture and start making memories. You won't want to miss this one. Call Rick Woodman today.